so I don't forget to record. Yep, perfect. Okay. Share screen. Screen two. Yep.
Oh.
Okay,
Mhm.
so this was my last presentation. I'm going to try to drag the first one I also did, just like to put in like a context and then like a blank presentation so that we can create together.
Okay.
I hope it's not too much, but yeah. Yeah, so
Sounds
this is
good.
the blank one. So basically this is PowerPoint. Can you guys see me and can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And I think I'm recording already also. Yes, I'm recording. Okay, perfect. So this is a bit different. Well, I know you guys know PowerPoint anyways, but this is like a bit different from the Google slide. It's almost the same, but
Mhm.
just that this is like PowerPoint by Microsoft. So like I said, I think it was Sadie I told that this is very simple. Like you don't even have to crack your brain. Like coach would always say it. AI does the job for you. What you just have to put in is your creative mind and just to follow like a certain template that you choose. So as you guys can see, like this was my the one I made for our team, and then the other one that I made, the first one I presented. If you guys can see, like the major what's similar to them is like the design is like consistent, right? So that's the only thing you have to make sure you do. So to start to create a new topic, let me just reduce this other one so we're not confused. One moment. Um,
I have a question on the first one you made.
okay, yeah, okay, we can start from there.
Okay.
This is it. Yep.
Yeah. You see how in like the fourth and fifth slide you like did like the half circle?
Yeah, I'm
Like
gonna discuss that. Yes.
okay. 'Cause I'm
I'll
like,
show
how did she do that?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah,
That's why
I
I
like
said
that.
it's AI. Like I didn't come up with that. I promise I didn't do
Okay.
that.
Okay.
So so let's just
Okay.
say, okay, I did this before, but let me just so let's start. Let's just assume. What did we present the last time? I think it was food delivery apps. So this is
Mm-hmm.
what it looks like starting the presentation. Do you guys have you used PowerPoint before?
Yeah, I used to use PowerPoint. I haven't used it like as of recently, but
Recently, okay,
I
yeah.
feel like yeah.
Okay, if
Mm-hmm.
you've used it, then I'm sure you like this is very similar. So as you guys can see, as soon as I typed food delivery apps, can you see this right this
Oh,
place?
cool.
Can you see? Yes. So it brings out the if you don't see it immediately, I think that's the issue. Not everybody knows
Oh.
about it. There's a designer by the right and there's a co-pilot. So
And this is in the PowerPoint app,
this
not
is in
the
the PowerPoint. Yeah, this is the paid
okay.
version. So I did my master's and although I
Oh,
already graduated, but I still have access to the paid version. So once you have
okay.
access to the paid version in maybe your organization, you can
Hmm.
definitely do this, but not everyone knows about it. So you come to this right side, the designer part, it
Yeah.
automatically just designs it for you. So what you just need to put in there
Oh,
is your
wow.
creative, yeah, is your creative mind. Just select the one you feel like this looks better, this doesn't look better
Yeah.
whatever. Like I feel like this one now, yeah, it doesn't really show anything food, so I'm not definitely not selecting that. But I think the first one made
Mhm.
more sense because I mean you can see
Right.
the pizza. So once you click on it and then it just comes out. So but if you don't like any of the images that it comes out, you can
Hmm.
click here, see more designs. It will
Hmm.
definitely bring out more. But if you don't like any of them, you can go to insert. Then you go to pictures. So you can select stock images. That's what I did for I think my first project. I didn't like some
Okay.
of the pictures it selected. So you can just come here and just type whatever you want to put in there. For
Mhm.
instance, if I type food and I click on this, let me say this watermelon image now, and I insert it, it's going to automatically design it for me like however I want it. So if I click on this and I remove it and I cut it out, then it's left with this image. So then and I click on the designer again, it's automatically just so you just have to play with it like coach would say. So you have to just play with it and then it automatically designs it for you. So for the other slides, but then let's just create something really good now. Let's for the purpose of creation, not just for to show. So let me delete. I don't really like this. So let me it's just shouting. So let me go to like a blank so we can make something really nice since we have an idea of how it works now. So food delivery apps presented by Team Yellow. And then I put a date, September 18. 2025. And then
It's
that's
funny
it.
that we're on the call right now. Well, let me not say anything actually. Sorry.
Uh, okay, what do you mean?
I
Back who's on
forgot
the call?
I forgot you're recording. You're recording.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm recording. Don't worry. Once I'm done showing you guys this, then we can just
We can
so it
chat.
comes,
Yeah.
yeah, so you can see now that this has already automatically like it divided it food delivery apps. So if you don't like it, you can just, like I said, you can play with it, or you can just select the stock images and then you can do that. So let me go to the next. So for that first one I did, basically what I did was that so what how it works is that it automatically generates, for instance, now my role as a business analyst, let me type it on this, not just the food delivery apps, then you would see. So because I said business analyst, it automatically generated the box images. I didn't create that. It created it by itself. Like so many images that I just selected that. And then for this one, for the different roles in project management, when I typed project management, it brought out different roles. But I wanted, because this was five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I wanted the picture with 5 people. So I went to stock images here. Stock images, pictures, stock images. I just came here and I think I just typed it like pictures with 5 people, and then it brought it out. So like I said, you just have to be creative with it. Then the questions that you asked about this one, the what's it? No, not this slide. This other one. One moment. This, yes. This one also. Okay, you know what? Let me just create it exact slide. Let me recreate it again. Key stakeholders and their influence so that you see what I'm saying. So new slide, key stakeholder. You know what? Let me just copy and paste. Like, why do I have to type? Key stakeholders and their influence. I don't want any caps lock, but that's fine. It's just for illustration. Then I come here and then I paste this. Then I go to the design. Okay, where are you? It looks like it did. Okay, no, it didn't disappear. I just didn't click on the right one. So you go to home, the home tab. Then can you see what you generated? Key stakeholders and their influence. But I don't want this. It looks very dull, and so I can just go to stock images and I can just insert. And I just type something. Let me see if I type stakeholders, if something will come out. Nothing. Okay, just go to people, group of people.
I think the quality of the image that they provide is
Yeah,
like
so
a
so
lot
it's
better.
yeah, so it provides everything. Let me just
Yeah.
select this. So
Yeah,
if
the
I
images
select,
are really good.
yeah,
They're
so
very
that's the advert.
clear.
Yeah, can you see this now? Yeah, so
Hmm.
this it looks like this now. So what I did also, you can adjust the images yourself, like Coach taught us, like with the arrows. So you can just play with it. Because for this one, it looks like the man is cut out. There's supposed to be 2 people. So let me see if I can try to make it like 2 people instead of. So I reduce it first, and then let me see if I extend from here. No, it's the same thing. Okay, then I can just select another image that can capture like both of them. Then for the colors for this, I don't like this color. It's too dull. So what I will do is I'll click on it. Then I'll click on the one moment. No, not that. I'm trying to change the color. I did it. I know how to do this. One moment. Um, no, not more colors. One moment. Honestly, I just played with this. No, not the shape. Wait. Okay, yeah, the fill color, the outline color here.
Okay.
Yes. No, no, not the outline. Okay,
The fill.
that was wrong. Yeah, it looks like the fill. Yeah. So I just
Hmm.
try to select like very good colors as like consistent so that it's more colorful. And the funny thing is that once you even change the color and then you click on the design again, it redesigns it for me. So let me just click on the fill
Oh,
again.
nice.
Yeah, so that's how it basically works. I just want something that would be consistent and that would look nice. So I think at the end of the day, it's really just your creative mind that
Hmm.
would work with it. So fill another color. Yeah, I think this looks nice. Then this fill. No, that wasn't fill. So I just right click on this. Okay, why is it not coming up? One moment. Mm, Then the fill. No, no, not the font. Why are you not coming up? One moment, guys. No, no, no. Okay, let me refresh it again. Control S. Let me just say. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but yeah, basically, if you do that, then you can change all the colors through the fill option. And then if you come back here again and then you click on the designer, it should pick up. I think maybe it's my internet, but ideally, once you click on it again, it should pick up all these colors that I just changed it to, and then it brings me like other designs like that would fit the new. Okay, I think this is similar, but not exactly what I want. Can you guys see this one I just clicked on? Or like this. Can
I
you see
see.
this? Yes.
Mhm.
So
Nice.
because I just changed the color now, it has also changed the design that I put in there. So basically that was it. And so for that particular one, what happened was that after I selected the image, it just selected the curve. I didn't do that. It was the designer that, yeah,
Oh.
it was the designer that generated that. I didn't do that. I didn't do this. It was the designer that did it. The images. So I just make sure that the images I'm selecting reflects
Mhm.
what I type, basically. So that's why I said it's very simple. So once if you're a creative person, you can play with it and it would definitely like work for you. And then one thing I also do, once I create on the designer, if I select a particular design, I try to make sure that I stick to the particular one. I don't change. For instance, in the food delivery app, if I already selected this, because this is already black and gray, I wouldn't come here and select another color and select maybe yellow. I will try to stick to the same thing that I stick that I stuck with from the
Yeah,
first slide.
you have to have
Yes,
a
a
in design. You
consistent,
have to have a
yes,
design theme
exactly,
to
yes, a
continue.
theme, exactly. So
Yeah,
once I choose a theme from the start, so that's what I did basically. Like for instance, as soon as I typed the waterfall and the agile, it just came up with this. I can even still do it again. Let me just type waterfall again. You would see, or let me just delete this agile, and I click on designer. You would see can you see the other pictures? Just a
Mhm.
moment, it's still loading. I think my internet is actually slow because it usually doesn't take this long. But yeah, see more designs. So can you see this could have been something else? Do you
Mhm.
get this could have been something else? Let me just type agile so that but I didn't like the image it generated for agile. So for agile, I went to Google myself. This was the image I used for agile. This wasn't from here because I didn't like all the pictures it was bringing out for agile. Let me see. Yeah, for agile it wasn't. Honestly, okay, I think there's an issue. It's not as generating as I wanted to. But usually when I click agile, I remember I didn't like all the images. It wasn't very nice. So I
Mhm.
just went to Google and I got this. So when I went to Google and I made sure that the image I selected matched the theme of the waterfall I already selected. Like I said, so it's just brain work typically. Like this particular slide now, as soon as I clicked on it, these are the other designs it brought out. Can you see requirements? And it has like other colors, like so it's just sticking to a particular theme and basically like that's it. You don't have to do much.
Nice.
So that was how I made the slide. Let me know if you guys have any questions.
No, I love it. I think the paid version is definitely worth it if it gives you all those,
No,
extra
it wasn't.
add-ons.
Yeah, I didn't do so much work. It's just it designs it for me and that's it. So once you have the paid version, you can play with the designer theme. And if you don't like any of the images, just go to inserts, go to
Mhm.
pictures. You can either get it from your design from online, or you can get the stock image and then you're good to go. And just stick to a particular theme. Basically, that's it.
Nice.
That's all you need to
Thank
do.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're welcome. Philip, do you have any questions?
Me, no. Philip?
Philip,
hello.
looks like it's gone. Do you have any
Well, I'm
questions?
actually yes, I just got home, so
Okay.
and yeah, I'm trying to just take some stuff off my truck. So you asked the question. What did you say?
Do you have any questions with the slides?
Oh, no, really. Like I can actually easily relate because I'm really very efficient with spreadsheets and all. So once
Yes,
you were
okay.
saying it just made it clearer for me, and